Hello everybody, today we'll be teaching you how to clean your brass jewelry. Now, unlike other metals, brass over time will get kind of golden yellowish color. I'm not sure if you can see it right now. And this doesn't mean you have to throw it away or that the jewelry is bad. What you can do is you can easily clean it. And to clean it, all you need is toothpaste. It can be any toothpaste. You need a toothbrush and you need some baking soda. So we have baking soda here, we have the jewelry, and we have our toothbrushes ready. And now we're gonna clean. We're gonna show you how to do it. The process is very simple. Okay, so after 2 to 3 minutes of cleaning it, you're gonna wash the earring off, and then you're gonna put it inside baking soda for another 2 to 3 minutes. And then start on the next one. Now this is the after.
Yes.
And this is the before. Look how brown that is. Look at this round one.